If you're losing buy box in 2021, then you're losing sales every minute. So what are the buy box factors and strategy which can be win in 2025? So today I will show you that what is buy box factors in 2025, step-by-step buy box strategy, why you lose buy box and buy box SOP. So what is buy box? Buy box is add to cart seller. Like for example, this is say the price is add to cart and this is you. So this is called buy box, add to cart button on your price. 80 to 90% of sales come from this buy box. Losing buy box is equal to losing sales. So buy box factors, what are the factors by which you can win buy box? So first of all, the buy box factor is always this price, but make sure that not always the lowest price win buy box or price alone cannot win buy box in 2025. Along with price, there are different factors which are involved, like you should have 100% feedback, like good feedback, no negative feedbacks, then your price should be in between an average range. Your store has good seller ratings. Your account health should be green. Your ODR, your late shipment rate, and your on-time delivery rate should be excellent, like within the range. So ODR meaning that people are saying that order not received, damaged item, you need to reduce this and keep it under 1%. Late shipment rate, do not ship late, keep it under 4%. And then on-time delivery rate, ship on time and make it over 90%. Respond to Amazon customer messages immediately, like within no time, within the response rate time. So these are the factors by which affects your buy box. So strategy to win buy box. First of all, yeah, one more thing which I missed previously in factors, fulfillment method, the most important factor. So mostly FBA is preferred for buy box. FBM also if you have a good rating. Like for example, this seller has 74,000 rating. So either he sell FBA or FBM. So he will win buy box easily. But mostly your items should be FBA and it should always remain in stock. It should not go out of stock like gradually. This will lose your buy box. So what are the strategies? First of all, again, same thing. Convert your FBM listing to FBA if you want with buy box. Maintain an average price in between the lowest and highest price. You can check this from the Keepa graph. You see here, the buy box graph is 20 to $26.99 for this product. You need to keep your price in between it. You need to resolve negative feedbacks. If there are any, resolve them on time. Like this, resolve them on time. Ship on time. Reduce ODR, and then afterwards keep price average. So these are the factors by which you can win buy box easily. So why you lose buy box? Highest price or lowest price, like you're going below that percentage, like 20 to $26 was the thing and you're posting it like $15. You have high returns, you have high refunds, you have high negative feedbacks, you have high late shipment rate, you have high cancellation rate, your ODR is too high. So these are the factors by which you use buy box, or your listing gone out of stock. The most common reason, your listing gone out of stock. So these are the reasons by which you can lose buy box. So buy box SOPs, check your inventory regularly, make sure you are always in stock, check your buy box percentage. You can check buy box percentage here in the business reports. You see here, buy box, but if it is losing, please check what's the issue. Reduce your returns and refunds and make sure your price is competitive. Then your ODR, your late shipment rate, these are all on track. Your account health is always green. Check here. Your account health is always green. So this is most important part. You have no A to Z guarantee claims. So these are the things by which you can keep consistent buy box and you can win easily. And also for wholesale people who are selling wholesale, there's something I need to add. Like this is a wholesale product. For these kind of products, always choose that product which does not have high returns. So this item, this is a toy. Previously, like you can say 60 or 90 days back, this product was having very high frequent returns, and it was clearly mentioned here that this product has frequent returns. So these type of products, if you buy these type of products and sell these type of products, then you will surely lose buy box, you will surely lose sales. Each minute always sell those products which people usually keep. They do not have any issues. So this is for those people who are selling wholesale. And also if you're you're competing with three, four, five sellers, then keep your price average, not put it like lowest or highest. See this, let's for example, this is 26.99. The person selling at 26.99. So these people are selling at maximum 30.99. So you can place the price between this 26.99 to 30.99 in between this, and then you will keep getting your percentage and like your share of buy box. So this is how you operate in a wholesale model. And if it is private label model, then you do not need to worry about it. You just need to provide an average price according to the market, and you will keep getting this buy box because you are the only seller. It's your brand and it's your concern. But still, you need to check this pricing. It should not be like if market is selling this 10 pounds bucket, it in like let's say $40 on average, let's say, and you're putting a price of like let's say $90, then it will not show any buy box. Or if the product is selling at $90 and you're putting the price at $42, then you will lose the buy box. It will say that check more sellers. So these are the reasons which you need to avoid. And if you need more buy box strategies, please subscribe my channel, comment buy box in the comments below, and ask your questions. I will answer you accordingly, and we'll see you in our next video. Have a good day. Thank you.